Hey, good morning. There's been a lot of buzz on YouTube recently about Insta360's One X2 360 camera. So I thought it'd be a good idea to take it out and show you what it does in the hands of the average user and not someone who makes content for a living. Now, the purpose of this view is to demonstrate that just because it's a 360 camera doesn't mean you have to use it as a 360 camera. You can use it just like you would any other type of action camera. Now, it is a little breezy today, so I'm not sure if you're going to be picking up the wind noise. This particular device does come with a number of microphones, which is an improvement over the first iteration. And now this particular model, the X2, is over a year old, so it's kind of interesting why there's such a buzz on YouTube regarding this camera right now. It's not new. It's been around a while, but I will say this, probably the best 360 camera for the average user that you can get. It comes, they have a lot of accessories that you can get for it. It does a lot of really cool things. Very easy to use. Not super expensive, pretty comparative, comparable in price to like a GoPro or I think DJI doesn't, but Insta360 also makes the One RS, which is more of a traditional action cam looking camera, and they're all about the same price. So anyway, purpose of today's video is to show you that while this is a really cool 360 camera, you can still use it as just a regular front-facing action cam, waterproof. And so if you're looking to get into the action cam space, I would highly recommend the One X2. See ya.